No, no, no. I don't know how to ride this. I don't know how to ride this.
No, don't go to the tree, Antonio.
Don't run.
Yeah, you can do that because you're gonna have some reflexes.
He ain't gassing it. He's a wussy.
He's heavy. It's going uphill,
that
so
thing opened up the whole way up and the whole way back.
he's heavy. You know, it's like I'm 180 pounds, so it's struggling to pull me.
Man.
Oh God, I can see Antonio like flipping over. He's running so fast.
It'll go.
You're like a little kid. Well, you can't make yourself look cool in that. I tried. Just like Scott, you gotta ride it.
I gotta do it one more time.
Go for it.
I'm gonna come up with you, Dad.
He's like a kid. He's like a little kid. Don't pull on that.
That's what she said.
I'm going to throw you on top of the roof and I'm going to drive you home on it if you don't want to go.
Here goes Laura. He did chase Laura. Look, you're gonna follow Laura.
What, Laura's coming?
Yeah. Watch the driveway, okay, guys?